Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off Facebook with your Pinterest on your Pinterest app. We will go to turn off this mark or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on save, then you come to your profile here on next video, then you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for your window like this, then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here and you just click here on security and logins, then you come to security and logins window, then you just click here on login options, then you come to login options window, then when you turn on Facebook it's going to look video like this, into which you just click here and turn on, and when it's turned on, when you want to off, you just click here and it's going to turn off video like this. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. Until next video.